YouTube, here we go again. Once again, it's me, Yolo Sean. And we have another short for YouTube. So here we go. Military base. Shout out to the soldiers. Thank y'all for all y'all do and the support of keeping us safe and doing y'all job most definitely the best way possible. You get around this thing, get y'all some good little footage. I actually had one of these trucks. I had at least one of them. It's a Volvo. I know it's got the big back window on there, and the window up top. So it should be a 760, somewhere between 2016 or earlier model. There y'all go. We over here in Pennsylvania, on the way down to Tennessee. And hey, I thank y'all just for liking this, commenting, sharing, and subscribing, and hit that bell for all notifications. It's me, Yolo Sean. Thank you once again. We out of here. Call me, it's me, Yolo Sean, but call me Kitchen Water Road. What do y'all get to in front of this thing? Wait till y'all get to in front of this. Going over there. Videography. You good, I don't know what it is, but we're about to find out. Hey, what is this? I know it's a husband. Hey, it's too late. I'm already recording, so it's kind of too late. I asked what it was, she said go ask you, your wife, but it's my YouTube channel. It's gonna be on my YouTube shorts. I don't know what it is though. Hey, here's the holder right here. I'm on YouTube, bro. Hold on. Let's see the video out. It's loaded. What's on it, bro? It's loaded.
What you want me to say? Can't kill it.
Hell yeah, man. Alright. Man, that's crazy shit. Motherfucking cow goddamn killer, man. That's his shit, bro. Damn. Hell yeah. That's crazy as hell, bro. I can't get out of that man shit up there, but I'm gonna just go ahead and say, do this, man. That's crazy as hell, bro. That motherfucker big as hell. Damn. Saw that video on that Mustang right there before I get on the road today. So, couldn't use that with no copyright for all that type of stuff. Tell the people goodbye. Till next time. I'm gonna see you there. Got to do you like a YouTube video though, you hear me? It's me, Yolo's son, daughter. Yeah, thank y'all again for the short moment that I'm giving us to do this other day. Over to Florida. Took it for a good trip. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that all notification bell after you hit the bell. Hit twice. Subscribe, hit the bell once again. It comes up and hit all notifications for the channel. And what the niche is, I'm a videographer. So it's like I'm filming this right now, you know what I'm saying? Me and my little kiddo, that's what I do. So I can catch every good moment out here, every day. And put it together, what I'm saying? Everybody got editing, put my intros and outros on it, you know what I'm saying? Something like that with them.